So piece of advice number one, if you're doing some recording, you're doing video outdoors, you've got your setup going, number one, when you start talking to the camera, make sure you hit the record button, because otherwise you're going to waste 5 minutes of your time, feel kind of foolish and laugh at yourself. Not that I did that, or yeah, I did that. Okay. So yesterday's video, or the last video on channel, I should say, because you never know when these things are going to go up. The last video, I had said that I picked up the Rode wireless setup, and I said I won't torture you with any more testing, yet here I am torturing you with testing. This will be the last testing time. I'm getting all this ready for a larger project, and when we get into the larger project, I think you'll appreciate why I picked these things up. But right now we're filming with an iPhone 8 Plus, and I've got the Rode wireless setup. I've got the receiver connected up to my iPhone 8 Plus. I've got the transmitter right here, and I'm going to walk up. We've got a little wind going on, but as you can see right here, this is not a fuzzy little creature. This helps to mitigate the wind noise. By the way, northern Arizona, it seems to be always windy here. I've often been frustrated trying to do outdoor recordings for this channel and for my tutorials, and I always lose to the wind. I think I might have solved that problem with this setup, so we'll see over time. Now, right now, Filmic Pro, I set up the audio so that it wasn't doing auto levels, because it will adjust for the sound differences. So there's no audio or automatic levels going on, and right now on the Rode wireless, I have that set to the lowest output possible. So there's 3 settings. There's low, there's medium, there's high. How many decibels is that? No idea. But in my testing this morning, I have found that the lowest output level seems to work very well with the iPhone and the wireless setup. So, and you know, you can be the judge of that as you're listening to this. Now, we've got it on the lowest setting at the moment. Let me come around there, and I'm going to hit the medium setting, and we'll hear that just for a minute. And I'm not going to adjust it in Final Cut. So as these go up, I promise I won't try to deafen you for too long. All right, there's the medium setting. So medium setting is on now, and I'm sure you can hear the difference. I actually see the audio bar down on the bottom, and it's peaking sometimes. Now, when I bring it up to the highest setting, we're not going to keep it there long, but I'm just going to let you hear it. So let's go back over here and click. So there we go. That's the highest setting, and we're not going to keep it there because it's probably upsetting your speakers. So there we go. We're back down to the lowest setting again, and here we are on the lowest setting. So as you can see and as you can hear, not bad. I'm pretty impressed with it. That little fuzzy critter that's on the transmitter hopefully is doing a good job of mitigating the wind sounds. Looking at a weeping willow right here, and it's blowing around. I've got leaves falling out of it, and I think I might need to go get the rake afterward. So I just wanted to give you one more quick demo of this. Keep in mind with this setup, every camera is different. The gain levels on every camera out there seems to be different. I've watched a lot of videos on people using this and setting it up. Folks who are much more expertise than I when it comes to audio. And I watched one that I really enjoyed. Now I can't remember his name. And he took it through several different cameras. Every single camera setup was different for him because of the amount of gain that each of them had. With that in mind, you're going to have to do some testing and experimentation. And my experimentation here is by no means scientific or anything. It's just what I'm hearing and what I think is coming across as good. Love to get your response on channel. So I do promise you I won't be playing around with a bunch more audio tests anywhere in the near future. We're going to get back to some drone talk and some talk about upcoming projects. So I'm happy that this time I see that the red light is on and that I am recording instead of what I did last go around, which was talk to the iPhone and the camera without the recorder on. So we all have our smart moments. I just seem to have more of them. All right, everybody, I made myself laugh. We'll see you on the next video, and I hope you have a great week. See you again soon.